you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Life to the Power Infinity, and today's video is all about one brand tutorial of Beauty Bay. Well, I am talking about this eye makeup look right here, and I have created this eye makeup look with this particular eye makeup palette, and this is from Beauty Bay Origin, and this consists of 42 colors. I'm super duper satisfied with this eyeshadow palette because firstly they are superbly smooth and they glides on so smoothly on your eye. You just need to give one stroke and they'll show the hyper pigmentation, as well as they are, super soft and super smooth like butter. They will glide on like a butter on your eyelid, and which is easy to blend. Like, we all have those boring eyeshadow palettes in our vanity bag which never worked for our eyelids and which never showed the colors on our eyelids. So it was just horrible it was just ridiculous to use all these palettes. But now I am super excited and super satisfied with this Beauty Bay palettes because they are pocket friendly, as well as they give you the immense pigmentation on your eyelids. I have done my base makeup already off camera, and now I am going to do my eye makeup in front of you guys. For today's eye makeup look, I'll be using this palette right here. And I have recently purchased a few eyeshadow palettes from beautybay.com, and those who don't know what is beautybay.com, it is an international website and they do ship in India. Purchased 3 amazing eyeshadow palette from beautybay.com, and this is one of them. This is the Beauty Bay Origin 42 color palette. I really love their packaging, guys. They give such a matte finish look. This is the information given right at the back of this palette, and the Origin palette is written in such a bold font, is such a yay from my side. I really like the eyeshadow palette's name to be very bold and vibrant. So yes, they have some shining font going on in front of the palette, and they have few informations right at the back. This palette is absolutely cruelty free and vegan. I really like this palette to the utmost. The fact about this palette which really attracted me is that they have a set of base colors, they have a set of transition colors, they have a set of crease colors, they have a set of liner colors, and they have a set of pop and highlight colors. Palette is very user friendly and they are really very helpful for the beginner makeup artists, because it is already mentioned that which color you are going to put on the base and which color you can use on the transition shade. So now I'll just talk less and let's just get into the video. So the first shade which I'm picking up is this one. This is a beautiful transition shade. The next shade which I'll be picking up is this one right here. So basically this shade I'm going to use it on my crease. Picking up this color in another fluffy brush and just depositing this color on my crease. The next thing which I'll be doing is this. I'm just going to blend this color with my transition shade nicely so that they don't make a very rough edge. Shade which I'm going to pick up is this bright and dark liner shade, and I'm just going to deposit this color just in the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye, so that they just give the depth of my eye makeup look.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Look, I hope you can already make out from this look that my inner corner and my outer corner is a little bit darker than my crease and my transition shade. So now I'm going to take the concealer on the flat brush and just going to deposit this concealer just on the middle section of my eyelid, so that it gives a very hollow look to my eye. I'm going to take this champagne shade on the finger. I'm going to place it just in the middle of my eyelid, so that it gives a nice highlighted and pop-up look. Next, I'll be picking up this pinky glittery shade from this palette on a very pointy and thin brush to just highlight the inner corner and the outer corner just after the dark shade which I have put in the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyes.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So again, I'm just going to pick up this old wine dark shade, and I'm just going to intensify the look. I'm not just blending, I am just dabbing and just tracing out the brush so that it gives a nice blended eye makeup look. So once again, I'm just intensifying the whole look by repeating all the colors. Lastly, I'm just going to pick up the transition shade and just going to blend up everything all together. I'm going to pick up the dark wine shade and just going to blend it in the underneath of my eyes. For highlighting my inner corners, I'll be taking the same champagne shade from the palette and just going to place it in the inner corner so that it gives a nice highlighting look.
Yeah.
So yeah, I am really satisfied with the right eye makeup look, but I will quickly do my left eye makeup look off camera and we'll be back soon. So guys, here is the complete makeup look and I hope you really enjoyed this makeup look of mine. And so guys, if you are thinking that from where to purchase this eye makeup palette, so don't worry for that. I'll definitely give all the details in the bottom bar. Please kindly check those details. If you really like this makeup tutorial of mine, then please do comment below and share my video, and yes, put some likes on it. And I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you really did, then please do subscribe my channel, follow all of my social medias, and do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and stay tuned with my next videos. Bye.